Ramachandra is with me. So he 1% told that yes, UAE will never break the relationship with India basically. Then one person asked the question basically, what American land is basically doing? So that is also a good question basically. Because America is that country basically who is also giving lots of things basically to the world. Because without any reason basically in this world basically no country helps each other basically. USA is also getting help from India. USA is also getting help from Europe. USA is also getting help from UAE basically. So they might be using something. So few people told that basically it might be software basically. But software basically UAE people basically can't create. UAE group basically are more intelligent than the American group basically in software basically. They can't do it basically. Then one person told that yes basically. Software basically is there basically. America basically is controlled with the software. But it's not like that the software on the base of software basically they are doing this basically. So lots of people says that basically some natural item basically is there in the American land basically. That basically we can't say what is that basically because it's a secret of America basically and the governments of the. But something basically is processing basically under the land. That's why basically the value of America basically is there. So everything is land basically. For this land only basically the India have the value of India basically. If India land basically will taken by some neighbor country, then India will lose their control basically across the world. Then there is no value of India country only. So everything is control of land. You have the control of land. You are basically having value in India, in world basically. You lose the control, you lost the value basically. So next you will see.